This is the heartbeat of America's automotive future, where the Bel Air comes to life through a blend of skilled hands and modern machinery. The automated decoiler ensures a steady stream of high-quality flat steel, a testament to modern efficiency. The backbone of the Motor City, these men ensure every bumper meets the stringent quality standards of the new decade. In 640. As the space race began, the luxury car adopted the iconography of flight.
The new 283 cubic inch small block, seen here with its revolutionary 1957 fuel injection, produced
The Powerglide's true genius lay in its simplicity. This two-speed automatic, first seen in 1950, brought modern Securing the Powerglide to the bell housing is critical. Next, the drive shaft connects the transmission to the differential, completing the powertrain.
The chassis moves along the line as workers install the robust front suspension, securing the A-arms and steering linkage for a comfortable ride. This marvelous hydraulic system transforms the driving experience. Watch as the wheels respond instantly.
The Chevrolet bow tie logo, a timeless symbol of American automotive history, spinning smoothly on this meticulously crafted 1950s wheel.
A new era of motoring had arrived. The open road beckoned, and drivers weren't afraid to push the limits.
The wide front bench seat, capable of accommodating 3 passengers, was a hallmark of the American family car design during this era.
The 1957 Bel Air's pronounced fins, clearly influenced by aircraft design, reached their
Indeed, the marvel of air conditioning brings the cool comfort of home right into your motor car.
The dual exhaust system, a performance hallmark of our V8 models, ensures better flow. Just listen to that distinctive burble.
Check the alignment on the rear quarter panel again, Charlie.
Looks good to me, boss.
All right, sign off on the lighting sequence. Right there, 122 feet. Pedal feel is satisfactory.
Meets the requirement for production approval. Let's prep for the next run.
easy stopping power right there. Good pressure. And the parking brake holds tight. She's all set.
Here at the staging area, the pride of Detroit is loaded daily, ready to deliver the dream to main streets across America.
She's a beauty, isn't she? This 57 model includes the new TurboFire V8 engine.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
Take a look at that V8 engine. She's got pep and power.
Oh, golly, that's impressive.
And the value is simply unmatched, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Careful with the hose, dear.
Look out below, I'm riding fast.
Don't get soap on my dress. There we are, everything accounted for.
Perfect. The children are just climbing in now.
Looking sharp, Car Hop. That food looks great.
Thanks a million, we're starving.
Here you go. Have a blast tonight.
The creature is heading towards the city. We must stop it before it reaches the power station.
Good morning. Regular or premium today?
Regular, please, and the windows, too.
More than just a logo, the bow tie symbolized American quality and the aspirations of a growing middle class.
This is the enduring legacy right here. The 57 is arguably the most iconic Finn car ever produced.
Absolutely, the craftsmanship is just timeless.
More than just steel and chrome, the Bel Air pride.